With this curry kit, I'm going to show you how to make a makhani or a butter chicken. It's got a beautiful creamy tomato sauce, and to make it super easy, I've included all the spices in the kit. Just grab your fresh ingredients and then we can cook it together. Roughly chop 2 red onions, chillies, ginger and garlic and place into a pan with bag 1 and a teaspoon of salt. Cover with about 500 ml of water and bring to the boil. Add the chopped tomatoes and leave to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium heat, stirring occasionally. After the sauce is reduced and the mixture has thickened, remove the pan from the heat. Let the mixture cool down, remove the cassia bark and blend to a fine sauce, then push through a sieve. In a second pan, heat the ghee or butter. Once this is hot, add bag 2 and as soon as you can smell the musky aroma, stir in the blended tomato sauce. Be very careful, this will spit. Fry the sauce until the oil separates out. Empty bag 3 into a pestle and mortar and crush the seeds. Add the spices to the pan and cook for 5 minutes until it's thick. Then add the chopped main ingredient. Add a little hot water to loosen things up if required, then stir in the honey and cook for a further 5 minutes. The gravy should be a lovely bright red colour. Remove it from the heat and stir in the cream or yoghurt and bag 4. Garnish your dish with coriander leaves and some butter or cream on top just before serving.